Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 10th January 2021. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review it. In this video, I will talk about my trades on Nifty and Bank Nifty and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. If you are new to this video, then I request you to please subscribe and share it with your friends. It's only your like, subscribe buttons or your response there which actually motivate me to come back and make this video. So thank you very much for your support till now. So now let's get back to business and let's see what happened. Uh, so on Thursday I was carrying some 5 lots of Nifty with me, and on Friday I did not make any new trade as my plan was to buy on dip, but Nifty or a Bank Nifty never give me that opportunity. So I carried forward this my trade and I sold it here. So when we look into my last week performance, out of 4 trading session, I had a one bad day and a four strong good green day, where Friday was fantastic. And last week I made around 34,000 rupees as a profit. So good start to the new year. Now let's try to understand what happened in last week. So when we look on daily chart, we realized that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this was the Monday. On Monday we had a gapped up opening. It came to the monthly weekly pivot and again moved up, then gapped up. Then second day was green bar, then gapped up, corrected, gapped up, corrected, then gapped up and maintain the trend. So on 15-minute chart, if you look into this, we get a fair idea. So this is Monday, gapped up, came down, come to the weekly pivot, went up, then again gap down, but it closed high, so green bar, and then gapped up, came down, gapped up, came down, gapped up, and moved up. So when we look on the weekly chart, Nifty has shown last week one thing which we need to learn it, that it has returned from its weekly pivot, which is a very strong sign of a uptrend. On weekly, Nifty is definitely above all the moving averages, and now so it's an uptrend. On a daily basis, again Nifty is above 8, 20, 50 and 200, so uptrend. On weekly as well as on daily, it is showing it is definitely overstretched. But now on weekly basis, Nifty has a strong resistance at 14,566 and a strong support at 14,350 and 14,200 levels. Yeah, 14,220. So 14,220 level. So 14,220, 14,350 are the two strong support, and resistance at 14,566. These are the key levels for Nifty for the coming week. Nifty is highly overstretched, so I'm expecting Nifty to now consolidate in this zone of 14,566 and on lower side 14,220. So this is the zone in which I'm expecting Nifty to larger zone in which I'm expecting Nifty to consolidate. Uh, Another thing which I learned from last week is that intraday trading may may not give you a very big money. The real money is put when you take position home. So somewhere I need to start looking for trade opportunities in the last 30 minutes to see if I can carry some positions home. That's where the genuine money is there. Now on 15-minute chart, when you look for Nifty, Nifty is above 8, above 20, above 15, above 200. So definitely an uptrend. So the trend is up. Now when we look into our global market and SGX on Monday, we are expecting Nifty to open above 446.1, so somewhere in this zone. So what could happen is that Nifty will open here, may continue the trend up, and will definitely reverse from this zone. Or it can open and start giving straight red bar. So that could be the first opportunity of the trade where you can go for a sell on rise. So for Nifty on daily basis, 14427, so it will open definitely above 14427. So I'll be not surprised if I get one big red bar at the open on Monday. So because of TCS results and etc., it's definitely gonna go up. So on Monday there are two trade possibility. One is you go on short on open, then it will come. Then second is buy on dip at pivot 14312 and 14307. So 14312. So somewhere here. So closer to 20 and 200 moving average. So this is an area where you can buy a Nifty. So if Nifty by any chance tomorrow come in this zone, then I will take few lots for delivery for the week because the trend is up. And one trade I will do for intraday, which is buy on dip. So buy on dip at 14312 and 14307 with a target of 14461 or 14566. That's the plan for Nifty for Monday. And till the time Nifty will break 14350 or 14200 to 22, the trend is definitely up. Now let's see what's happening in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty on Friday did not do much. It just consolidated in a very narrow range. Uh, on weekly basis, on daily basis, if you see, Bank Nifty is looking much stronger than Nifty because that those two red bar of Nifty are replaced here by the green bar. So this was Monday, green bar came, my market corrected, and again market pulled up. Then another green bar, you can say doji, but continuation of a pattern. This was a little, this is also green bar, but gap up and came down and again moved up, so very strong. And this is the consolidation. So this is a very positive consolidation for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is definitely looking very strong as compared to Nifty. And if Reliance starts moving up, then nobody can stop this market. This market is in solid uptrend. So on daily basis, Bank Nifty is an uptrend, and on 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty is consolidating. So for Bank Nifty also, strategy is buy or dip in the range of 32 200 to 200 or 32 102, 32 200. So in this zone, that's where I have drawn the rectangle. Yeah. So the next week, the idea is to be bullish and buy on dip. You can also do sell on rise if there is a gap up. So let's see which trade I take on Monday. But I would like to be defensive trader and go for a buy or dip at pivot for Nifty or Bank Nifty. Most probably I take a call. I take a up trade on Bank Nifty and short on Nifty at the open. So that's the plan. Thank you very much if you're still here with me. Please like, subscribe, and give me a comment if you think that this discussion has added some value to your trade setup or trade plan for next week. Thank you very much. Stay healthy and Jai Hind.